Want to know how to report to the SEB office? Follow these simple steps. Step 1. If you witness or personally experienced a DEI related incident, and if you feel like you strongly want to report this, move to step 2. You will report this incident to Dr. Lisa Dunkley at dunkleyl@etsu.edu, or you can submit a report on the SEB website. Step 3. A follow up. The SEB office will follow up with you, the individual, to gather more information on the incident and to explain to you the next steps in the process. Step 4. A formal investigation. The SEB office will launch a formal investigation at the discretion of the person who submitted the report, as well as at the discretion of the leadership team. Step 5. A resolution. Now, the SEB office will work, to find a equitable resolution for all the parties involved. In some cases, an escalation may be warranted, such as an escalation to the Title IX office, etc. If you have more questions about reporting or what to report, feel free to reach out to me. It's dunkleyl@etsu.edu.